Good morning, all. I'm Harivuvel Ramu, working as an enterprise architect, and I'm a digital mobile channel expert as well. Part of my overall 5 years, last 5 years experience, I've enabled dozen of mobile banking solutions for all the top one, tier two, tier three leading banks. Most of those developed apps or award-winning apps. With that expertise, I'm going to roll out series of videos for the benefit of viewers. Let's look at today enterprise mobility overview. Enterprise mobility is a buzzword in 2000 when a Gartner take the key items like cloud computing, big data, predictive analytics, mobility. One of the buzzwords is enterprise mobility, and it talks about future technology which rule the world. Let's go back few more aspect which helps enterprise mobility ecosystem to grow in drastic manner. In 2000, the mobile being mainly used for calls, texting messages, online chat, bid process, and all the services are tightly coupled with telco providers as we come across any services through SMS touch point or USSD touch point or UI provided by the telco within the mobile widgets, and obviously the early adopter of Sun Microsystem, which provides the flexibility of J2ME, Java 2 Mobility Edition software, which help us to build small mobile apps which can run in Nokia Symbian phones. The mobile provider like Nokia, Samsung, Motorola, Ericsson, Palm, HTC, and Philips are majorly focused on CDMA and SIM-based phone using first generation technologies. If you look at it in 2003, the CDMA technologies are related phones are dominated phone distribution channels over developing and developed countries. When J2ME technologies launched to the market, the Sun Microsystem, then which can help the Java supported phone can use midlets to create a simple mobile apps for the featured phones. Okay, so what had changed? If you look at it 2006 plus, when the smartphone era started in a big bang market penetration, which launches the iPhone, Android, BlackBerry, and Symbian operating system and devices. Other than iPhone, all over the world, the other OS mostly works on Java as the base mobile operating language, and the iPhone use C++, which is Objective-C as a programming language. Since the smartphones are entered into the market, there are new tech companies and tech system and system integrators are jumped to start developing new product development to capture the new evolving market, because it's overall the whole trend to generate the new business model for the entrepreneurs or the SIs who want to capture the early market. The market is mobile apps development, which can run in those smart and featured phones. That's the market at the time. The early birds for the MADP, mobile application development platform companies, are Target Private Limited from Singapore, Kony, yeah, Kony from USA, Antenna, Titanium, Worklight. There are SI companies like CSAM, Firethrone, Infosys, Monetize, etc. also started building mobile apps for the various industries over Asia, Europe, North America. Enterprise mobility all about enable the small, medium, and large enterprises that the user will be enabled to operate their work to serve or services on the move. The flexibility smartphone provides, it's not tied me into either in my office or home. On the move, while on the move, I can take a decision. I can do my work. It's all about decision makings and wherever you are. And simply the smartphones, tablets, and smartphones started supporting that. Enterprise mobility should support the below mobile apps enablement. One is a B2C, business to consumer apps development, B2B, business to business apps development, B2E, business to employee apps development. The above three main category of the apps can be built and published to the open or targeted audience over specific business segment. When I say business segment, you can talk about banking, government, healthcare, telcos, mercantile, which is retail. Okay, you can touch about any business vertical. The key challenges of enterprise mobilities are: one is there are multiple mobile platforms in the market, which is, as you guys know, Android, Samsung, sorry, Android, iOS, BlackBerry, Windows, Symbian, Brew. Look at the multiple mobile manufacturers: Apple, Samsung, BB, BlackBerry, Sony, HTC, Microsoft. These guys are now, on another hand, every quarter, every 6 months, they're releasing new products, which means it can be a smartphone or it can be a tablet, can be VRs. Multiple mobile operating systems and its different versions. For example, look at it: iOS 5.1 plus, Android 2.2 plus, BlackBerry 7, BlackBerry 10, Windows 7, Windows 8 plus. So multiple version to be supported. And these different versions, they have own architecture, own architecture construct to render the apps, and you need a different internal runtime library support, which which is the key, for mobile app developer. If you want to provide a seamless experience, the key, things to be considered while building a product or platform. Look at another angle: the multi-resolution under each platform. Look at Android, LDPI, MDPI, XDPI, double XDPI, triple XDPI. Look at iOS 1x, 2x, 3x, different resolutions. So when you're looking at your app, the apps are running in different resolution phones. You can't build app in specific to each resolutions, but the single app which you're building, which you expected to run on the targeted devices and the targeted resolution, to handle that. So the platform need to provide that capability, which can render multi-resolutions without a specific code or without specific handling. The frequent releases of OS devices into the market. Almost every quarter that you can hear the new OS versions are getting into. And every OS release, there are API depreciated, there are new things that comes up. So when you're building a library, when you're building a component, um, it's for changing environment. You need to keep upgrade the mobile product to meet that market demand, market capability, which is comes part of the new OS. So the above variants of mobile devices provide the complexity and which leads to need of unified mobile application platform. Means the MADP platform provides providers will help the enterprises to overcome above challenges on the form factors and related management. Most of the providers come up with the concept of design once and deploy anywhere based on their own architectural technology product positioning. Each one have the market unique selling point, but end of when you go into the bottom of the product is reduce the development time, faster go to market strategy, reduce the development cycle and the cost associated with it, and the easy of usage. These are the key some of the key attributes. Today, enterprise mobility can be enabled via different type of um, enablement tools and technologies. If you look at those technologies or MADP, Mobile Application Development Platform, MEAP, Mobile Enterprise Application Platform, MCAP, Mobile Consumer Application Platform, RMAT, which is Gartner recently talking about, which is Rapid Mobile Application Development. Now, people used to hear about EMM, Enterprise Mobility Management Suites. So it's about the product companies or SI companies which push in their product to the market with one of the category which I said. In 2015, the armored is the key buzzword in mobile application development, which which concept is marketing by the Gartner. Armored provide the codeless or writeless code or one shared code base for all the platform, which help the enterprises to roll out more micro apps to support their go-to-market strategy. Look at Xamarin, livecode.com, bustage.com, AppMakers. When these guys are leading RMAT providers where you have everything's pre-bundled. You go and build it, tabs, and it's ready for launch. So it's reduced drastically the mobile apps development lifecycle and managing multiple avoid managing multiple code bases. Thank you, viewers. In the next session, we'll come up with some interesting topic and we'll discuss more. Any questions, please send me email to ariuvel.ramu@gmail.com. Parallelly, you guys can look at my blogs, which is www.ariuvelblogs.wordpress.com, or you can search Arivuvel, Arivuvel, in Google, and you will get a lot of articles as well. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching my video.